This is the new Cosplay Companion Notebook, version 2. Last year we launched the Cosplay Companion Notebook. This is the perfect tool for cosplayers who are serious about organizing their projects and keeping track of all of their progress. Well, we've made it a whole lot better with version 2. This notebook is one tidy place to keep track of all the details of any prop or costume build. The notebook is designed to help you keep track of all the parts of your build, set and track any milestones, and of course, keeping on budget. Of course, these are the most frustrating parts of the creation process of any proper costume, whether you're a seasoned veteran or if you're new to the hobby. Every costume build has its more challenging steps, so we designed features of this notebook to help you solve those challenges. Version 2 of the book is a significant upgrade from last year's book. The cover is soft and durable. The entire book is much larger, which is especially helpful for drawing on the design pages. And all of the interior pages have been redesigned with feedback that we got from version 1. The idea here is that you fill out one of these notebooks for every proper costume project that you work on. Not only will that help you through the creative process, but when you're done, you'll have a diary that chronicles the entire life of that costume. The front of the cover is designed for the name of your project and the date that you started working on it. And the inside is full of a bunch of useful tools like a master list of all the parts that you need to build, a packing list for traveling with your finished costume, and a list for all of the repair tools you might need for that costume. Design pages for using drawing to figure out intricate parts of the build, a shopping list so that you know what you need to buy, an area for setting goals and milestones to make sure you keep on track with the build, and a build and event log to both help you keep track of the hours and work that you put into the creation process, but also to help you keep track of which events you've worn this costume to, and any notes about the appearance, like repairs. Once your costume is all done, the notebook can live with that costume. It's like some sort of permanent artifact of your creative process. Version 2 is available right now over at punishprops.com/shop. We have individual notebooks or bundles if you want to get a bunch for yourself, stock up for the next year of costume making, or even better, if you have a cosplayer in your life, you could buy them a bunch of notebooks as a gift this holiday season or for a birthday present. I really do hope you enjoy making your new projects with the help of our new Cosplay Companion Notebook. Thank you so much for checking out the new book, and happy crafting.